Hi friends, let me show you my new seat cushion. It's intended for a car or for your office, wherever you sit and you need some kind of cushion because of an injury or just because to be more comfortable, okay? So it comes perfectly packed in a vacuum bag, as you saw. It recovers its size when you open it, okay? And you can use it in your car or in your office. It has this plastic-like bottom part that it will have a great grip wherever you put it, and you can fix it to your chair with this strap. Let me show you. And it has this Coccyx alleviation perforation, okay? So, okay, it will give you like an inch or an inch and a half of a taller position in your chair, okay? And, well, maybe your chair is old, maybe it has already not a lot of cushion. This cushion pad will help you to restore any used chair, old chair, or if, as I told you, you need this Coccyx alleviation accessory. So I think it's a great option for the office or for the car. Thank you.